Hey guys, so today I'm at a 1856 old house that used to be a train property. So the middle section used to be the train property, and the train tracks came right up here, and it was built in 1856, and then the back part was added in 1920. I'm digging out here in the back, and I just got a little toe tap thing, so pretty neat find. Got a lot of area to go, front and backyards. So let's see what we can get. Alright, I just pulled an old mason jar out of here. The lid's pretty messed up, and it broke some when I was getting it out. But the glass is in really neat shape. And let's see, I don't know what it says. Got a brand new squirt bottle, so hopefully it does some good. Don't even know how to use this thing. Oh yeah, four mason jars. That's what it says. So it's a neat little find. Keep on going. All right, guys, I just got a little surface find right here, and it's a 2520 WCF WRAL Co. Oh, it's really hard to see. Yeah, 2520 WCF. Never even heard of that. Looks like maybe like a rifle shell that was broken or something. Oh no, I'm not sure. It's kind of weird. Not too many finds in this. I want to go over into the lawn and in front, see what we can find over there. Let's keep on going. Right, guys, I just got something. I think I got. Oh, yes, dude, look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh, dude. Dude, what is that? Dude, look, okay, I gotta clean this up. Right, I got the ring all cleaned up. And look at all the little crowns. Actually, there's supposed to be like a little cross, maybe. Or something. But the underneath, I don't see too much. Unless... No, never mind. I don't see any words or anything, but I think the stone is fake. But look at that. That is awesome, dude. This is what I came here to find, and hopefully some old coins. But that is neat. Alright, guys, I think the military has a new way of hiding their jets. Just hide them under some dirt. But this is my first ever complete toy plane I've ever found. Nothing old or anything. Still got all the missiles and stuff on it. See if I need a little squirty squirt on her. See if there's. It's American. Okay. She's the United States Air Force. Is there a name on it? If you scrub it and get all the dirt up and off, then you can just squirt it off. But then you got crap all over your hands. Alright, It's actually really cool. United States Air Force. Keep on going. Just getting a solid 84 signal, and just got a little toy hot rod. I'm sure this isn't a Tootsie toy. No, I don't know what that says. Let me spray it off real quick. I'm loving this new spray bottle. Except for the little tube isn't getting in the water. Okay. Let's get her here in the sun. Krenmer Porsche twin turbo made in Hong Kong. SM. You see the little tree? See the little tree right there? What? I don't know what sign that is. SM. Must be the manufacturer. But got a Porsche. Sweet. Alright guys, so I was getting a pretty good signal down here in this hole, and I get this piece of molten lead, and then I see this little bead. It's pretty heavy, like a little stone jewel. So I recheck the hole, and there ends up being a little brooch of some sort, or maybe just a little something off of something. So I'm not really sure what it is. I don't think it's too important, so I won't put the squirty squirt on it. But cool find. Alright, I got another piece of a toy car. You can see the drive lines, and then like a gas tank or something. But bottom off some toy or other. Well, off in front, didn't really find anything. Got all my good finds right in this lawn. So just gonna recheck all that, and then I don't know where else I'll go. Kind of running out of space, a lot of junk. But let's keep on going. Alright guys, I just got a weird find. It's a little thing. It looks exactly like a quarter. It's got the riveted edges like a quarter. But you can't get anything off that. And when you set it down and $85, that's a solid quarter. So I have no idea what the heck, what's wrong with it, or looks a little thin, like it was ground down, and all the scratch marks like it was ground down. So it may used to be silver, or I don't know. I have no idea what that is. It's really weird. I've gotten a whole bunch of junk. Haven't found any old coins. I was hoping to find silver. I mean, 1865, that's so many years for silver and Indians, but the people that lived here were pretty poor. So just found a whole bunch of modern-ish stuff. But yeah, I'm just kind of out here in this back pocket. I'll go down there and see if I find anything. Alright guys, so here's the wrap up. So the old shell, I'm pretty sure is a quarter, because the edges that just got rubbed down really far. The Porsche, the F-16 I guess, the bottom of another toy, found a couple coins, the heel tap, the awesome ring. What an amazing find right there. The mason jar lid, the little brooch or whatever, and then just some other junk. But had really a lot of fun at this 1865. This part was all added on, but the main part was 1865, and the railroad used to end right over there, and movie stars going to the coast for their vacation from Hollywood would stop here. So I think the homeowners did like Clark Gable, and some of them I didn't even know, but this was kind of like the halfway point. So movie stars have been inside the original part of that house to buy train tickets, or yeah, so really neat, but a lot of neat finds. See you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.